Hey guys, how's it going? I hope everybody had a good second week of virtual learning. I know this has all been a big adjustment to us, but you're doing fabulous. I'm very proud of you. Just wanted to let you know that this week we're going to continue with food chains, but we're going to do it a little bit differently. Okay, and I'm going to tell you about that in a minute. So just a reminder about food chains and how all energy starts with the sun. That's where the plants get their food. And then to continue that, we're going to switch on to food webs. And a food web is just interconnected food chains. For instance, if we look at the grasshopper, he gives energy to the frog and he gives energy to the rat. The mangoes give energy to the fruit fly. Remember, the way the arrow is pointing is who's getting the energy. The fly gives energy to the thrush. The arrow is pointing to the thrush. The thrush gives energy to the eagle. The arrow is pointing to the eagle. So when you're drawing your pictures later on this week, make sure your arrows are pointing the correct direction. So we just wanted to talk about a few things. For instance, this is many food webs put together. We can see the corn gives energy to the grasshopper gives energy to the frog, and the frog gives energy to the eagle. That is one food chain. We could look at another one. Corn gives energy to the grasshopper gives energy to the rat gives energy to the python, and the python gives energy to the eagle. But they are all interconnected. And we can also talk about what happens if something is removed from the food web. If we take out this grasshopper, what will happen to the rat? Where will he get his food from? Right now in this food web, that's the only thing that's feeding the rat. So what would happen to him? If we take out the grasshopper, what would happen to the frog? Well, he would get his food from the butterfly. That also affects the butterfly population then, because more frogs are eating more butterflies. So if something is removed, it's going to affect the entire food web, not just that part of the food chain. It will affect everything. Okay, so that's something you need to be watching for this week in your lessons. Remember, if you have any questions, reach out to me on Class Dojo. You can have your parents send me a text. You can send me an email or contact me on Google Classroom. Hope things are going well. Can't wait to see your food web pictures, and I will talk to you soon. Miss you all. Love you. Bye.